Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change font size in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Changing the font size in Mobile Legends Bang Bang can make the game more comfortable for your eyes and improve readability during intense matches. First of all, launch open Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your device, and from the main lobby screen, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, tap on interface from the left hand corner. Inside interface, go to font size. From the font size option, you can select the medium or large font size based in your preference. This will change the size of the skill info text. Now go to the top of the screen and tap on customize. Now from this option, you can go ahead and adjust the sliders to increase or decrease the size, transparency, edge offset of the icons as well. Once you are done with the change, you can get back to the settings page, and that way you will be able to change the size of the text in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.